Product of a high-dollar, multi-year build, this incredible Mopar Pro Tour wraps a 500-horse 3G Hemi and a completely custom suspension in a custom leather interior and custom mixed paint. If you're a fellow enthusiast who's looking to satisfy an unrelenting need to go fast and make a big statement, this magazine-featured B-body is just your style. This super clean curve carver is the direct result of what happens when a seasoned fabricator has an uncompromised vision, major dedication, and access to a six-figure bank account. The rust-free body was stripped and mounted to a custom rotisserie that ensured its floors would turn out every bit as nice as its vertical panels. Once that metal was massaged and panel fitment correct, Screamer yellow paint, which had been mixed 6 times over, was stacked 6 coats deep under matte black war paint and modern callouts. Open the doors and take in a custom black interior that is the perfect place to spend sunny weekends in. The first thing you'll notice is a pair of GS1 touring buckets that are complete with high-quality RCI harnesses. A custom console anchors a B&M Pro Bandit shifter between cup holders and modern audio. A clean dash features white-face gauges and push-button ignition, and the driver spins a 3-spoke Momo steering wheel. Power comes from a 6.1-liter third-gen Hemi that has been upgraded to create a claimed 500 horsepower. That healthy mill sends power to a built A727 TorqueFlite, back to a Moser Sure Grip rear end. Brutally fast and visually stunning, this awesome Plymouth perfectly embodies the tried and true philosophy of pushing the envelope as far as the arc will go. With top-notch craftsmanship and the ability to land impressive trophies, it's ready to hit the road tomorrow morning and win the show tomorrow night. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.